Nigerians zukwa n'ike. Nigerians zukwa n'ike. Wetin be our problem? What is our problem? Why e be say any place wey problem dey na im we Nigerians we dey always dey serious on? Why e be say na like that? Because I need to ask. Why e be say anywhere wey problem dey na that place we go jump in? You understand? Many of us dey talk about this DNA test of a thing. You understand? Say Mohbad, the late singer Mohbad, say no be him get this little boy. How can you say that not him, it's not him that have this little boy? I want to know. Okay, a lot of people say that they must do DNA test. I know say they will carry up a autopsy to know wetin kill am. Make at times make we dey reason one or two things. If say this person dey alive, we go know say na him be the evidence for the things wey happen unto say say as him dey alive, you go ask am question, him go fit talk.